Virgo New Moon, Financial and Bitcoin Market Forecast, Bitcoin Transit Chart and the Asteroid Influence. In this video, we'll explore the astrology of the Virgo New Moon and its impact on both the financial and Bitcoin markets, including a detailed analysis of the Bitcoin Transit Chart. The period between a new moon and full moon, roughly 2 weeks, represents a time of growth and development in financial matters. Initiatives started at the new moon reach their first peak at the full moon, providing an opportunity to assess progress and make necessary adjustments. In the context of financial houses, this cycle can indicate the short-term development of market trends, investment opportunities, or economic policies. Financial intentions set at the new moon come to fruition or face challenges at the full moon, making this period crucial for monitoring the progress of financial initiatives and making necessary adjustments. The Virgo new moon is particularly significant as it emphasizes themes of meticulous planning, organization, and a cautious approach to investments. We'll dive deep into the astrological aspects influencing this new moon, including the role of asteroids Apollo, Medusa, and Nemesis in this period, highlighting potential market surprises, revelations, and the rebalancing of financial power. Whether you're an investor or simply interested in the intersection of astrology and finance, this video will provide valuable insights to navigate the coming weeks. Let's get started. General overview: the new moon on September 3, 2024, occurs at 11 degrees Virgo. This sign governs work, health, daily routines, and service. The Virgo new moon symbolizes a time of new beginnings, particularly in matters related to efficiency, organization, and improvement. In the context of financial markets, this suggests a focus on meticulous planning, attention to detail, and perhaps a more conservative or cautious approach to investments and trades. The Sabian symbol for 11 to 12 degree of Virgo, a bride with her veil snatched away, points to sudden revelations, the unveiling of truths, or unexpected changes that disrupt the status quo. In financial terms, this might indicate market surprises, revelations that affect market sentiment, or a shift in economic policies that could impact various sectors. The overall market sentiment for the Virgo new moon period is likely to lean towards cautious bearishness. The influence of the Virgo new moon suggests a focus on risk management, detailed analysis, and perhaps a retreat from overly speculative positions. Traders may prefer safer, more stable investments during this time, favoring bonds, treasuries, and high-quality blue-chip stocks over more volatile assets like cryptocurrencies and tech stocks. Key astrological aspects and their impacts. Sun conjunct Moon aka New Moon in Virgo, impact. This aspect emphasizes new beginnings, particularly in areas related to work, health, and service. In financial markets, this could manifest as a focus on restructuring, cost-cutting, and improving operational efficiency. Companies that demonstrate strong fundamentals and prudent management practices are likely to be favored. Market impact: slightly bullish for stable sectors like utilities, healthcare, and consumer staples. Virgo new moon square Jupiter in Gemini, impact. This aspect can create over-optimism, over-expansion, and a tendency to take on more risk than is prudent. In the context of financial markets, this could lead to speculative bubbles or irrational exuberance, particularly in sectors like tech or cryptocurrencies. However, the square also suggests potential for disappointment or sudden corrections. Market impact: increased volatility, particularly in tech stocks and speculative assets like cryptocurrencies. A potential market correction could occur if over-optimism is not justified by fundamentals. Virgo new moon opposite Saturn in Pisces, impact. Saturn's influence brings a sobering effect, emphasizing caution, restraint, and the potential for delays or obstacles. The Pisces energy suggests hidden issues or unresolved problems coming to the fore, possibly leading to market pessimism or a risk-off environment. Market impact: bearish sentiment, particularly for high-risk assets. Expect a cautious approach from investors, with a potential flight to safety into bonds, treasuries, or gold. Mercury in Leo square Uranus retrograde in Taurus, impact. This aspect can trigger sudden, unexpected changes in financial markets, particularly in currencies, DXY, commodities, and the broader economy. Uranus retrograde in Taurus suggests instability or reevaluation in finance-related sectors, while Mercury in Leo could bring about impulsive or dramatic communication and decision-making. Market impact. High volatility in forex markets and commodities. Sudden shifts in investor sentiment could lead to sharp movements in the US dollar index, DXY, and precious metals. Mars in Gemini square Neptune retrograde in Pisces at the critical degree of 29, impact. Mars square Neptune can create confusion, deception, and misguided actions. In financial terms, this could result in unclear market signals, misleading information, or ill-considered speculative trades. Market impact. Bearish for speculative assets and markets prone to rumor or hype. Increased risk of losses due to misinformation or unclear market conditions. Venus in Libra trine Pluto in Capricorn, impact. This aspect supports transformation and deep change in partnerships, alliances, and public perceptions. Financially, this could indicate successful mergers, acquisitions, or strategic alliances that enhance corporate power and market influence. Market impact. Bullish for companies involved in significant partnerships or undergoing strategic transformations. Positive for sectors like finance, real estate, and large-cap stocks. The Virgo New Moon conjunct the asteroids, Apollo, Medusa, and Nemesis. Combined with the broader astrological influences, this suggests a multifaceted period for both geopolitical and financial matters. Here's a detailed look at how these influences might manifest and their potential impacts. Apollo, mythology. Apollo is the Greek god of prophecy, healing, and rationality. He symbolizes clarity, foresight, and the pursuit of knowledge. Symbolism. In financial and geopolitical contexts, Apollo represents insight and the pursuit of strategic clarity. His influence suggests a focus on transparency, effective planning, and rational decision-making. Medusa, mythology. Medusa, a gorgon with the power to turn people to stone with her gaze, embodies transformation, fear, and the unleashing of hidden forces. Symbolism. Medusa in financial and geopolitical astrology can signify sudden, transformative changes or the emergence of previously hidden issues. It represents disruptions and the need to confront underlying fears or challenges. Nemesis, mythology. Nemesis is the goddess of retribution and balance, ensuring that justice is served and excesses are corrected. Symbolism. In financial and geopolitical matters, Nemesis symbolizes the consequences of actions and the need for accountability. She represents the balancing of scales and addressing systemic imbalances or injustices. Asteroids and geopolitical matters. Focus on transparency and reform. Apollo's influence. The Virgo New Moon conjunct Apollo suggests a period where clarity and transparency in governance and international relations become prominent. Leaders might push for reforms that aim to increase transparency and accountability within governments and international organizations. Public reaction. The public may demand greater openness and integrity from leaders, leading to protests or calls for investigative measures. There could be increased scrutiny on government actions and policies. Emergence of hidden conflicts or issues. Medusa's influence. Medusa's presence indicates the potential for sudden revelations or escalations of hidden geopolitical conflicts. Unseen threats or unresolved disputes could come to the forefront, causing shifts in diplomatic relations. Public reaction. There may be heightened anxiety or concern regarding geopolitical stability. The public might respond with calls for stronger security measures or increased diplomatic efforts to address emerging conflicts. Rebalancing power and addressing injustices. Nemesis's influence. with Nemesis in play, expect movements towards addressing historical grievances, correcting imbalances of power, and ensuring justice on an international scale. This might involve actions to rectify past injustices or rebalance power dynamics. Public reaction: citizens and activists may push for international reforms, greater equity, and justice, influencing political discourse and international policy. Strategic alliances and policy shifts: Virgo New Moon influence. The Virgo New Moon's focus on meticulous planning and detailed analysis could lead to strategic shifts in alliances and policies. Nations may seek to realign their strategies based on new insights or evolving circumstances. Public reaction: the public may react with mixed feelings depending on the outcomes of these policy shifts. Some may support the changes for their potential to bring stability, while others might be concerned about the impacts on national interests. Asteroids and financial matters: increased focus on transparency and risk management. Apollo's influence: Apollo's emphasis on clarity and foresight could lead to increased transparency in financial markets. Companies and financial institutions may be pressured to disclose more information and improve risk management practices. Market reaction: investors might seek more transparent and reliable financial instruments. There could be a push for regulatory reforms to enhance market integrity and investor protection. Market volatility and disruptive events: Medusa's influence. Medusa's transformative energy suggests the potential for sudden market shifts or unexpected financial disruptions. This could be triggered by new information or sudden changes in economic conditions. Market reaction: financial markets might experience increased volatility. Traders and investors may react with caution or seek to capitalize on emerging opportunities, leading to rapid changes in market trends. Corrective measures and financial accountability. Nemesis's influence. With Nemesis, there may be a focus on correcting financial imbalances and addressing instances of financial misconduct or excess. This could involve regulatory actions to improve financial stability and fairness. Market reaction: there may be a push for reforms to address financial disparities and ensure greater accountability in financial practices. Investors might favor companies and assets perceived as being more ethical and balanced. Strategic financial planning. Virgo New Moon influence. The Virgo New Moon's influence on meticulous planning and detailed analysis could encourage more strategic and calculated financial planning. Investors and financial institutions may focus on thorough research and long-term strategies. Market reaction: there could be a trend towards conservative investment strategies and careful planning. Markets might see a preference for stable, well-researched investments over speculative ventures. Virgo New Moon and Mars, Neptune square. The intricate astrological configuration involving Mars in Gemini square Neptune in Pisces at the anorectic degree of 29 degrees, Pluto also at 29 degrees Capricorn sextile Neptune and Pluto in retrograde, with additional influences from the Virgo New Moon and the asteroids, has specific implications for the financial, Bitcoin, and gold markets. Here's a detailed breakdown. During the Virgo New Moon, traders are likely to exhibit a cautious and methodical approach to the markets. The influence of Virgo encourages detailed analysis, risk management, and a focus on long-term stability rather than short-term gains. This period may see a reduction in speculative trading, with a preference for investments in sectors that are seen as safe havens or have strong fundamentals. Risk appetite is likely to be low, with traders avoiding high-volatility assets like altcoins, small-cap stocks, or highly leveraged positions. Instead, there may be a shift towards defensive sectors such as healthcare, consumer staples, and utilities. Bonds and treasuries could also see increased demand as investors seek safety. Increased volatility and confusion. The Mars-Neptune square suggests heightened volatility and confusion in the financial markets. The square aspect can create friction between action and idealism, leading to unpredictable market movements. Misleading information or deceptive practices may contribute to erratic price swings. Critical transformations. Pluto at 29 degrees Capricorn sextile Neptune indicates a period of significant transformations in financial structures. This could involve major shifts in economic policies, regulatory changes, or shifts in market dominance. The sextile aspect provides opportunities for positive restructuring and adaptation if managed wisely. Reassessment of financial strategies. With Pluto and Neptune both retrograde, there's a strong focus on revisiting and reassessing financial strategies and investments. This period could reveal underlying weaknesses or hidden opportunities in investment portfolios, necessitating careful evaluation and adjustment. Practical planning. The Virgo New Moon emphasizes practical, detail-oriented financial planning. It's an excellent time for making strategic adjustments, paying off debts, or fine-tuning investment strategies. Avoid impulsive decisions and rely on thorough research and analysis. Potential for financial scandals. The influence of the asteroids, Apollo, Medusa, Nemesis, during the Virgo New Moon highlights the potential for exposure of financial scandals or hidden issues. Increased scrutiny and demands for transparency could lead to revelations that impact market stability. Bitcoin market. Erratic price movements. Mars square Neptune can cause erratic price movements in Bitcoin, driven by speculation and misinformation. The confusion and volatility inherent in this aspect may lead to sudden and unexpected shifts in Bitcoin's value. Transformation of Bitcoin's role. Pluto's influence suggests potential transformations in Bitcoin's role within the financial system. This could involve shifts in its acceptance, regulatory stance, or its technological underpinnings. Investors might need to adapt to these changes and reassess their positions. Revaluation of Bitcoin. The retrograde motion of Pluto and Neptune might bring to light underlying issues or opportunities within the Bitcoin market. This is a time for reevaluating long-term investment strategies and understanding the deeper implications of Bitcoin's market behavior. Detailed analysis and caution. The Virgo New Moon's focus on detail-oriented planning and practical strategies is crucial for Bitcoin investors. Given the high volatility, it's important to conduct thorough research and avoid making hasty decisions based on market hype or misinformation. Gold market. Safe haven demand. In times of financial confusion and volatility, such as indicated by Mars square Neptune, gold often benefits as a safe haven asset. Investors may flock to gold as a hedge against market uncertainty and potential losses in other asset classes. Transformation and revaluation. Pluto's presence at 29 degrees Capricorn sextile Neptune suggests that there could be significant shifts in how gold is valued or used in the financial system. This might involve changes in monetary policy, inflation expectations, or shifts in global economic power. Opportunity for long-term investments. The retrograde influences of Neptune and Pluto, combined with the Virgo New Moon's focus on practical planning, suggest that this could be a good time for long-term investments in gold. It's an opportunity to reassess and position oneself for future stability and growth. Exposure of market dynamics. The Virgo New Moon's conjunction with the asteroids Apollo, Medusa, and Nemesis highlights the potential for revelations about the gold market. This could include uncovering hidden trends or issues affecting gold prices, leading to adjustments in investment strategies. The Virgo New Moon and the Bitcoin Transit Chart. Virgo New Moon timing, September 3, 2024, 1:55 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated. Transit Sun in the second house. Bitcoin market interpretation. The new moon in the second house highlights a key period for Bitcoin's financial dynamics. This phase calls for a focus on financial stability and market organization. It's an opportune time to address outstanding issues and strategize for better security. Bitcoin may experience increased volatility and higher operational costs, so attention should be given to refining trading strategies and financial management. Investors and market participants might be drawn to reassess their holdings and consider new investment opportunities. However, caution is advised against both excessive spending and overly conservative approaches. The market should be viewed in the context of long-term value rather than short-term gains, emphasizing prudent financial management. Transit Moon in the second house. Bitcoin market interpretation. With the Moon transiting the second house, Bitcoin's focus will shift toward material and financial concerns. This transit could highlight fluctuations in market value and investor sentiment. There's a tendency for financial anxieties to influence market behavior, so it's important to maintain perspective and avoid letting short-term volatility dictate decisions. The period favors conservative financial strategies and a pragmatic approach to market investments. Watch for impulsive trading decisions driven by emotional reactions, and focus on strategies that ensure greater long-term stability. Transit Moon trine Sunday Bitcoin market interpretation. This harmonious aspect indicates a period of positive alignment between Bitcoin's market behavior and investor sentiment. Cooperation and positive interactions among market participants can lead to successful collaborations and favorable market conditions. This is a good time for engaging in cooperative financial ventures and strategic investments in Bitcoin. Transit Moon opposition Uranus. Bitcoin market interpretation. Expect disruptions in Bitcoin's market routine during this transit. There may be unexpected shifts in market trends or sudden changes in investor sentiment. Those averse to change might find this period challenging, but adaptability will be key to managing volatility. Embrace innovation, but be cautious of impulsive actions that could lead to market instability. Transit Mercury in the first house. Bitcoin market interpretation. Mercury's transit through the first house affects communication and perception within the Bitcoin market. This period will see heightened intellectual activity and discussion around Bitcoin's financial strategies. Market participants may experience a surge in curiosity and ideas, but could struggle with focus and practical implementation. It's a good time for research and analysis, but beware of overcomplicating strategies or getting lost in speculative thoughts. Effective communication and clear thinking will benefit market activities. Transit Mercury opposition Neptune. Bitcoin market interpretation. This transit brings a risk of confusion and misinformation within the Bitcoin market. The influence of Neptune may blur the line between reality and speculation, making it challenging to discern accurate data. Caution is advised when considering new investment opportunities or engaging in negotiations. Focus on verifying information and avoid high-risk trades based on uncertain projections. Transit Venus in the third house. Bitcoin market interpretation. Venus transiting the third house enhances communication and relationships within the Bitcoin market. This period is favorable for resolving conflicts and building positive connections with stakeholders. Diplomatic interactions will facilitate successful negotiations and collaborations. If Bitcoin is involved in public relations or media activities, this transit could lead to increased recognition and success. Transit Venus square Mars. Bitcoin market interpretation. The Venus-Mars square introduces tension in Bitcoin market strategies. Conflicts or challenges may arise regarding financial goals and market actions. Impulsiveness and emotional intensity could lead to hasty decisions or disputes among market participants. It's important to balance assertiveness with strategic planning to avoid negative impacts. Transit Mars in the 11th house. Bitcoin market interpretation. Mars in the 11th house drives innovative ideas and social engagement related to Bitcoin. This transit favors collaborative efforts and networking opportunities that align with Bitcoin's values. Expect an influx of creative ideas and social events, which could influence market trends and investor interactions. Transit Jupiter in the 11th house. Bitcoin market interpretation. Jupiter's transit through the 11th house expands Bitcoin's social network and visibility. Increased opportunities for networking and collaborations will arise, and generous interactions with other market players can lead to substantial rewards. This is a favorable time for expanding Bitcoin's presence and fostering connections with influential figures. Transit Saturn in the 8th house. Bitcoin market interpretation. Saturn's transit in the 8th house signifies a period of significant transformation for Bitcoin's financial structure and investments. This transit may confront the market with challenges related to control, power, and shared resources. It's a crucial time for addressing financial responsibilities and reassessing investment strategies. Transit Uranus in the 10th house. Bitcoin market interpretation. Uranus in the 10th house indicates potential changes in Bitcoin's career trajectory or market reputation. This period could uncover new opportunities or innovative approaches that impact Bitcoin's public standing. Embrace unconventional methods, but be cautious of impulsive actions that may disrupt stability. Transit Neptune in the 9th house. Bitcoin market interpretation. Neptune's influence in the 9th house encourages exploration of new perspectives on Bitcoin's value and market approach. Creativity and spiritual insights may inspire new financial strategies or investments. However, be mindful of potential confusion or misunderstandings related to long-term investments or international ventures. Transit Pluto in the 6th house. Bitcoin market interpretation. Pluto's transit through the 6th house brings profound transformation to Bitcoin's operational processes and daily routines. This period may reveal underlying issues related to control and power within the market. Focus on maintaining a balanced approach and addressing any operational challenges with resilience and clarity. Asteroid aspects in the Bitcoin transit chart during the Virgo New Moon. Nemesis conjunction Uranus. Mythology and symbolism. In mythology, Nemesis is a centaur known for his role in a tragic tale of betrayal and revenge. His conjunction with Uranus, the planet of sudden change and innovation, symbolizes a period where Bitcoin may experience sudden, intense shifts in its market dynamics. This aspect suggests a potential for disruptive innovations or unexpected developments that could significantly impact Bitcoin's valuation and market structure. The influence of Nemesis here can also point to underlying issues related to trust and ethics in the financial arena, emphasizing the need for transparency and resilience in facing challenges. Make Trine North Node. Mythology and symbolism. Make, the Rapa Nui god of fertility and creation, represents creativity and resourcefulness. Its trine to the North Node, which signifies destiny and future growth, indicates a period where Bitcoin is likely to align with future-oriented opportunities and innovations. This favorable aspect suggests that Bitcoin's strategic decisions and advancements could lead to positive growth and alignment with its long-term goals. It highlights a time of productive change and opportunity that could enhance Bitcoin's position in the market. Make Sextile South Node. Mythology and symbolism. The South Node represents past experiences and lessons. Make Sextile to the South Node suggests that Bitcoin could benefit from revisiting and refining past strategies or innovations. This aspect indicates that drawing upon previous knowledge and past successes may support Bitcoin's growth and evolution, facilitating a balanced integration of old and new approaches in market strategies. Make Sextile Ascendant. Mythology and symbolism. The ascendant reflects how an entity presents itself to the world. Make Sextile to the ascendant points to a period where Bitcoin's public image and market presence can be enhanced through creative and resourceful strategies. This alignment suggests that Bitcoin could effectively capitalize on its innovative qualities and present itself in a favorable light, boosting investor confidence and market appeal. Medusa trine Lilith. Mythology and symbolism. Medusa, often associated with transformation and the ability to face and overcome challenges, forms a harmonious trine with Lilith, a symbol of raw, untamed energy and independence. This aspect indicates that Bitcoin may navigate market challenges with resilience and powerful, transformative solutions. It suggests a time where Bitcoin's ability to confront and adapt to market disruptions could lead to significant growth and empowerment. Nemesis opposition Venus. Mythology and symbolism. Nemesis, the goddess of retribution and balance, in opposition to Venus, the planet of value and relationships, implies potential conflicts or corrections in Bitcoin's market relationships and value perceptions. This aspect might highlight periods of reckoning or rebalancing in Bitcoin's financial strategies, emphasizing the need to address any imbalances or ethical concerns that may arise in its market interactions. Nemesis trine Pluto. Mythology and symbolism. Nemesis's trine with Pluto, the planet of transformation and power, signifies a supportive aspect for Bitcoin in dealing with profound changes and power dynamics within the market. This alignment suggests that Bitcoin may undergo significant transformations that are ultimately beneficial, allowing it to confront and resolve deeper issues with strength and effectiveness. Nemesis trine Lilith. Mythology and symbolism. Nemesis's harmonious trine with Lilith combines the themes of retribution and raw energy. This aspect points to a time when Bitcoin can harness its inner strength and confront challenges with an empowered, independent approach. It indicates the potential for resolving conflicts and enhancing Bitcoin's market position through bold, transformative actions. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching. Happy trading. See you next time.